Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical and electronic graduate, electronic and communication graduate, computer science graduate. So these people can make use of the video, and the name of the company is Mahindra and Mahindra. It's a dream company for most of the engineers. So don't miss this opportunity. I'll be giving the link in the description. Once you click the link, you'll be directed to the official website. If not, also you can type Mahindra Career India in Google and give you a search, so that you will be getting following result. When you scroll down, you can see Mahindra Career. Just choose this icon Mahindra Career. You will be directed to the official website. If you scroll down, you can see an option called search job. You have to click here for searching the jobs, and you will be seeing various post opportunities available. When you scroll down, you can see graduate apprentice training. When you go in, you can see an option for applying here. So finally, if you are comfortable and satisfied with whatever they are asking, and if you fulfill all the norms, then you can directly apply it. So working on software development projects. Freshers can apply for this job, and qualification is BE Computer Science. So computer graduates can make use of it. When you come back, you can see various other jobs like principal engineer, perceived quality. When you go inside, you can see an option for applying. When you scroll down, you can see other details: reviewing the design, access the PQ, track improvements, set review procedure, set guidelines, and detail down customer expectations. So other competencies are having knowledge of PQ, knowledge of VRED, behavioral competency, and manufacturing process, material and behavior. So these are things which they expect, and the experience is 15 to 20 years experience in this field. And qualification is graduation score more than 80%, and preferably from a premier institute. Who and all can apply is mechanical and automobile graduates can make use of it, and experienced 15 to 20 years of experience. When you scroll back and see top of the page, you can see various page number. Out of it, you have to choose page number 2. Click on page number 2, and when you scroll down, you can see senior engineer electrical. So what you need to do is you need to have a detailed knowledge on switches and review the circuit, releasing all technical specification, validating the components, and you must have experience of 3 to 6 years. So who and all can apply is BE or BTech or ME or MTech in electrical engineering or power electronics. So electrical and electronics and communication people can make use of it. And when you come back, you can see senior engineer in CAE. So right inside you will be having an option to apply. BTech you must have 4 to 6 years of experience, and MTech you must have 2 to 4 years of experience in automobile vehicle crash worthiness using LS Dyna software, and preferably automobile engineers can make use of it. When you go to page number 3, you can see a job post called senior engineer material technology. So experience is 4 to 6 years, and it's automobile. What you need to do is you need to work in sheet metal, coating, fasteners, etc., and will be able to form a team and deliver the organization goal and achieve the result. So when you come back, you can see another job called engineer. So when you go there, you can see an option for apply. What is your responsibilities? You must need to know the vehicle emission, test facility work planning, monitoring utilization, test report preparation, maintaining the test facility, and other details. And who and all can apply is diploma in mechanical engineering or BE in mechanical engineering can make use of it. You must have good communication skill and knowledge of MS Office and PowerPoint. So you will be having an option here to apply. You just click on apply, so that you will be applying for this post. The similar way you can apply for whatever job which I just specified now. So you need to enter your mail ID and password. If you already registered, means directly enter your mail ID and password. If this is the first time you are registering, create an account by giving all your basic details, and then you apply for this job. You need to give all your basic details and type your password or type your mail ID again and create an account. After creating, you can apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to mechanical graduate, electrical graduate, electronics graduate, and computer science graduate. It will be great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.